30th August 97, Saturday evening, I was heading to Tyrone minor training, and I was going down the old A4 road to training, and there was a traffic jam, and took a back road and bypassed all of it and went on about my business to training, and come home from training and was going past Queen's Corner, our local, and just called in to see a few of my mates. And I just knew when I opened the door, they were very shocked to see me. They were like, "Have you not heard?" And I said, "Heard what?" I said, "Paul was involved in an accident earlier this evening." And I'd never dreamt at the time that it was serious. And I got a lift into the hospital, and at that stage he just passed away. There was 4 of them in the accident, and Paul was the only one killed.
Tá tú ag géirí do chuimreoir a hacu in éon slí agus is féidir ach tá sé deagar na focail cheart a aimsiú ag an am sin.